Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Sarvari Saha, and today's topic we are going to discuss about Röntgen and his remarkable discovery. So today's topic we will be highlighting on the history of X-ray. We will see how X-rays were discovered and a brief history about Röntgen and his family. So stay tuned with us and watch the video till the end. X-rays were discovered in 19th century in 1895 on November 8 by famous medical physicist Sir Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Sir Röntgen, born in 27 March 1845 at Linnip, Prussia, Germany, and Sir died in bowel carcinoma on 10 February 1923, Munich, Bavaria, Germany. Sir was basically a German person, and Sir was a professor at Würzburg University in Germany. Sir was working with a cathode ray tube in his lab, and with the electromagnetic induction he saw a shorter wavelength known as X-ray, and suddenly he discovered it. So now, without any further delay, I will say you how the X-rays were invented. Sir was working in his lab, and there was a cathode ray tube, and this cathode ray tube was vacuumed with Ruhmkorff coils, and with this he made his ingenious discovery. For next 7 weeks, he was shut in himself day and night in his lab, and all used to say that Sir would have gone mad. But the first journal was remarked on his new type of rays, where the induction current was passed through the vacuum tube, and the cathode rays caused the vacuum tube to fluorescence. In these test tubes were covered with a black color paper, and Röntgen then started to bring small objects, and he saw that they started to have glow, and then he put some crystals on his table slowly, like books, metals, everything he kept, and he saw that they were having some shadow image, as you can see here. So this is all what he have put. Next, he asked his wife Annie Bertha Ludwig to put her hand, and there he placed the fluorescent paper, and he have shown that these were the images of the human body. With this concept, Sir has found that new rays could pass through most of the substance lusting the shadow of solid objects, and discovered an unknown ray known as X-ray. So that is why our X-rays are known as unknown rays or Röntgen rays, and they could pass through tissues of human body, and the cardboard on which the X-rays falls and produce the image was barium platinocyanide. And the first X-ray was taken on 26 December 1895 of his wife Anna Bertha Ludwig, and the X-ray was of her left hand, indicating their marriage ring. So we all know now how X-rays were discovered. Now we will see about a brief about the Röntgen family and some of his achievements. So starting with the family, so they are both our husband and wife, Anna Bertha Ludwig and Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. She is Josephine Bertha Ludwig, the adopted child of Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen and Anna Bertha, and Anna Bertha has adopted her from her brother. Sir has many awards and achievements from since 1896 to 1901, and the first Nobel Prize he has received in physics in 1901 was for his remarkable discovery of X-ray. So this is a Nobel Prize which Sir has received. This is Sir's signature. In 2004, IUPAC table of chemistry has honored in the name of Sir an element, that is Röntgenium, and it has an atomic number of 111. And in the few years of 1905, the delegates at First German Radiology Congress remarked that it was an indispensable tool in all the spectacles of human medicine. So this above image is an initial report submitted by Röntgen and it was on a new kind of ray. It was published on 28 December 1895 at Physical Medical Society Journal, and this was the first paper written on X-ray. So with this, all our X-rays were discovered, and for this remarkable discovery, November 8 is celebrated worldwide as World Radiology Day.